Putting together a basic multi-purpose toolkit may seem overwhelming, but no worries. I'm going to walk you through the 12 essentials to put in yours. Please note that this video is not endorsed by any tool company. The brands you see are ones that we use around our place. First up for your toolkit is a claw hammer. This hammer is great for placing hooks and nails in walls, hanging shelves, building furniture, putting up baseboards, molding, things like fences, even breaking apart concrete and dirt clods. And the claw side of it is perfect for just opposite, removing nails, hooks, other things that you need to get out of a wall or a piece of wood with a little leverage. The second thing that you'll ideally want to have in your toolkit is a screwdriver set. This is a workhorse of a tool. It can assemble and take apart everything from furniture to toys. It can open paint cans and jar lids when you need a little help. Tighten and loosen hinges, help in replacing light switch plates. Even remove gunk from tight spaces, such as when you're working with caulk and trying to smooth out the lines, or even make holes in soft material. If you can't afford a full screwdriver set, definitely look at least getting a couple of sizes each of the flat screwdriver you see here in the photo, which is a flathead, and of the Phillips screwdriver, which you see has the notches around the side. It's more round. Third up for your toolkit are some Allen wrenches, also known as hex keys or hex wrenches. These handy tools, they're L-shaped and have hexagonal cross sections. They're great for tightening and loosening bolts and screws that have that matching hexagonal shape. You'll often find them on certain types of furniture and office equipment, bicycles and other exercise equipment, and some toys and hobby items. The fourth thing to put in your toolkit is an adjustable wrench or two. This versatile tool is great for working with a range of nuts, bolts, and fittings that you'll find when you're doing projects such as plumbing, where you're adjusting valves and pipe fittings, or where you're working with wheels of all different sorts, loosening and tightening the nuts and bolts that you'll find on those. And an adjustable wrench can even act as a great clamp to temporarily hold an object in place. Fifth for your toolkit are 1 or 2 pairs of adjustable pliers and a pair of needle nose, which are the pointed pliers. Pliers are wonderful for gripping and holding things while you work on them, almost like an extra hand, and also helping extract nails and strip screws from all sorts of materials. The sixth thing to put in your toolkit is a tape measure. A 25-foot retractable version is great because it offers you a lot of leeway in terms of project size and measurements should you need to measure a room for furniture placement, etc. Seventh for your toolbox is a level. It's all about evening things out. It can help you get that horizontal or vertical angle that you want when you're hanging your shelves, pictures, cabinets, and even wallpaper. Help you when adjusting your appliances and furniture so that they're not off kilter, and even help when laying flooring or tile. Number 8, don't forget to add a utility knife to the mix. It's great for everything from cutting open boxes to scoring drywall. Number 9, a stud finder. It's not a dating service, but rather a handy tool to locate the wood studs in a wall when you're doing projects like getting ready to hang pictures or shelves. The last thing you want to do is accidentally hit electrical wiring or plumbing while you're doing that, so be sure to use your stud finder to keep things safe. Number 10 for your toolkit is duct tape. This pressure-sensitive tape is known for its strength, flexibility, and stickiness. Common uses for it include temporarily covering cracks in glass or a wall, minor plumbing leaks, securing loose handles, reinforcing seams on things like tents or other outdoor items. It also can be used to wrap around padding when you're moving furniture, or even secure rugs and other household items to keep them in place. Number 11 for that toolkit is safety glasses. It's always a good idea when you're working with tools to use eye protection. You never know when a wrench or screwdriver might accidentally slip and a bolt or screw go flying. Number 12 on the list is a headlamp. Good lighting is crucial when you're working with tools, and the great thing about a headlamp is that it will allow you to keep both hands free to work with your tools, even use one to prop up something or support you if you need. Now that we've gone through the 12 essential items for your toolkit, a couple of other things worth considering throwing in are some good work gloves and a dust mask. These can be helpful in lots of situations. Thank you so much for stopping in today and learning more about your basic toolkit. Check out more of my tips to make daily living easier on my YouTube channel.